and welcome to Trav Talk TV. Trav Talk TV wishes you all happy Independence Day. ITO's annual convention to be held in Delhi from September 4th to 7th.
This year's convention is going to be a historical convention. Most probably we'll have the Prime Minister as the chief guest.
Philippines Travel Exchange Summit 2014 to be held from September 2nd to 5th. Inbound tourism gains prominence in TAFE's new agenda.
With the tourism ministry, we have put some proposals where how to increase inbound tourism because India has a lot of potential.
Northeast witnesses 27.9% growth in foreign tourist arrivals last year. Ministry of Tourism undertakes a 5-city workshop on B&B and homestays. Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli launched tourism promotional activities.
Both Indian territories have invested a lot in connectivity, basic infrastructure and tourism.
Aryan, we are flying to New York to visit your father?
With a German airline. You know Germans?
No.
They are a bit different, always serious. And their food.
Namaste.
Grandpa, we are in the wrong plane.
No. Everything is fine.
Non-stop you. Lufthansa.
Novotel encourages MICE tourism in Pune.
MICE also plays an important role for us, and MICE has also shown us a substantial growth in Pune market. And we always target for business groups which are high yielding.
India's domestic air traffic increases by 4.2% in June. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are improving connectivity with other parts of the country.
Andaman administration had a conference, civil aviation conference, maybe fortnight back, and various steps are being taken to improve the connectivity, especially air connectivity from mainland.
Nepal and India to sign a tourism pact to promote Buddhist circuit. IAMAI highlights the importance of digital presence in travel and tourism. For more information on this bulletin, do log on to our website.